My intersection has 5 legs. It's between the Manuel Domenech Avenue, Bebosa Street, and Hostones Avenue in San Juan, Puerto Rico. This intersection was crossed clockwise. From 2017, any traffic lights function, and from years ago, it does not have the pedestrian signals functioning. So the person has to decide when to cross the streets, taking all the precautions. Additionally, any ramp has a detectable warning surface. The first street cross is the Domenech Avenue with the Hostos Avenue, and then the Bebosa Street, both at the right hand. This is the most difficult because the ramps are diagonally, so the blind person cannot cross straightening himself with the ramp. Here, the person has to learn to move his body to a specific form when he's in the ramp, so can go directly to the other ramp. The second street cross is the Bebosa Street. This is more simple because this is not the main street. It is shorter and the cars can come only from one direction. The person cannot use exactly the pedestrian's ramp to align themselves to cross because the person will end up walking to the main avenue. Here, the person could better align with the lamppost that will be on the left hand. The pedestrian will be sure that he crossed correctly when touches with the long cane the bollards on sidewalks that are in front of the pizza fast food Papa John's. The third street is the Houston Avenue from Papa John's to the gas station Shell. This is simpler to cross because it's very short, but the person has to be sure to cross straight. It only has 2 streets for cars. Clues that the pedestrian may use to know that it's going straight and right is the smell of gasoline that we'll have in front and the sound of the cars when the people are turning them on in the gas station. Then is the main street again, parallel at the right, the Domenech Avenue. It is difficult because come and goes a lot of cars, but simpler than the first time because the 2 ramps are more straight. The pedestrians could find the ramps easier if touched with the cane the traffic light that will have at the left, then with all precautions can cross the avenue. Finally, the last street to cross is the Hostos Avenue, with the Domenech Avenue at the right. An easier way to find the ramp is if the person squares off with the traffic light and walks straight to the ramp. The pedestrian cannot cross directly at the ramp because it's not going to walk straight to the other corner. In all these intersections, the most difficult is to cross the Manuel Domenech Avenue with the intersection at the right hand of the pedestrians. Additionally, that there are 5 streets. Also, that there are not the traffic and pedestrian lights from years ago. In the days of the weeks is when there are more cars because people work, and it is one of the most used avenues in the metro area of Puerto Rico. Near this intersection are others that has traffic lights, so I recommend that if the person don't feel very secure and comfort, the pedestrian can walk a little bit more to cross at least the most difficult, which is the Domenech Avenue, or ask for help.